So what I want to do now is apply a background image to this column over here. But I kind of have a problem. I need a hook. There isn't anything unique about these cells. If I'm using my web developer plugin through Firefox and I go view style information, if you keep your eye up here at this bar, you see that when I hover over these things, they're all the same. There's nothing unique about them. So I really have to, I mean, these are A's because they're links, but in the end, even these. So if I were to just apply like a style to TD, a table cell, and I put a background image, they're all going to have that effect. So essentially what I need to do is create a custom class, a CSS class, and give each one of these cells a class. And then that way they'll have a distinction between this column and the rest of the other column. So I'm going to go into my CSS and I'm just going to create, let's say, .artwork, and we'll make that the class for this. And I'm not even filling any style information yet. I'm just creating this class, and I'm going to go to the source code of it, and every time I'm going to go to each one of these different cells and give it the artwork class. And the resulting code should, in your work, should look similar to this. The table cell should have a class of whatever you're setting it up to be. I named it artwork because that's the name of my column, and it's an easy way for me to remember. And you know, in Dreamweaver, there's two ways to do it. You could first just click the text in there and make sure that you don't just click the text in here and apply that class. You want to have this TD selected, so it selects the entire TD by clicking it down here. You see, you could click the table row or the T body and all the things that are nested inside of it, or this thing is nested in. And you click the TD, it selects all the code and code view, and then you click class and the class you want. And you're going to want to apply that to each and every single cell you have in your document.